Did you hear about the guy that became a millionaire because of a Dogecoin? Actually, there's someone that became a billionaire, but there's a manager who invested a couple $1,000s and it's worth millions now. So as you hear more and more about these Shiba Inus and Doge coins and Dog coins and shit coins and meme coins, you're gonna start to wonder, is this the best investment out there? Should I be putting my money into crypto right now? Stay tuned. 1.6%. That's the limited time offer my bank was offering me on a savings account. They actually emailed me. They wasted their time and took the time to send an email saying the interest rate is 1.6%. In other words, that's nothing. So you can see why young people are getting into cryptocurrency. You're reading stories about someone putting down $7,000 and becoming a millionaire. Obviously, you want that to happen to you. You don't want to put down $7,000 and then a year later get back $7,000 and $7,050. I don't know, I couldn't say that. You want to make some real money. You want to turn your $7,000 into $1 million, which is obviously unrealistic. It's a highlight reel. But yeah, whatever you do, don't leave your money in a checking or savings account. Savings accounts are the worst place to keep your money right now. And of course, you're going to say, well, I'm not a risk taker. I don't want to risk my money. I get that. But there's way better investments than a savings account that pays 1.6%. One option. We're going to get some other stuff, but you know, index funds. So I know you guys probably thought I was going to talk all about crypto, but no, there's other options. Index funds are a good option, or any kind of mutual funds, or anything in the stock market. I'm not anti-stock market. I know I've been talking a lot about crypto, but the stock market has been giving way better returns than a savings account. But whatever you do, do not accept 1.6% for your hard-earned money. And you're probably thinking, okay, you know, I'm not doing the savings account, I'm not doing the 1.6%. Hell no. You know, might do some index funds, some stocks, pick out some good stocks. I'm not against individual stocks, by the way. You might do that. You might do some Doge coins or some Shibas. But before any of that, the best investment, I will always stress this until the end of time, the best investment is right here. Can you zoom in on that? I guess maybe yourself. Before you get carried away with all these coins and all this stuff, never stop investing yourself. Every video that I ever make, or anytime I ever talk to anybody about investing, any article, any piece of content, this will be the #1 tip: invest in yourself. This is the best investment you can ever make in your life. How do you do that? Keep on upgrading your skills. We've done so many videos on this, I won't get into that. I'll keep on, learning new things, learn how to code, learn how to play guitar, learn how to play languages. Keep on investing so that you can learn any skill. Invest in your network. They say your network is your net worth. So when I wanted to learn about crypto, when I wanted to learn about the stock market, I reached out to my network, and through that investment in myself, in my network, I was able to learn so much about the topic, much more than you could have just found through reading a few articles. Invest in the best tools. Get the best tools possible. A whiteboard obviously is a small investment. But get the best phone. If you're making videos, get the best cameras being done on a high quality camera. Keep on investing in yourself. Any chance you get to invest in yourself, take it. You'll spend the money today, you'll get it back tomorrow. This is much better than crypto. It might not have 1,000% overnight like Shiba, but you don't have to worry about losing all your money if you don't sell on time. What I'm trying to draw here is a roller coaster. As you can tell, crypto is a serious roller coaster. Like, your goal is to obviously invest money here, buy that dog coin, buy that shit coin for a couple, it's obviously all gonna be a pennies, but put $1,000 in here. My writing is just 1,000, and then sell it here for 1 million, right? That's your goal. Turn $1,000 into $1 million, right? But what may happen is that you buy here, you don't sell here, and then it goes down. By the time you sell, it's right here. So $1,000 is now $500. I'm not saying that will happen, but I'm saying that could happen. Some of these coins are such a roller coaster ride. It's honestly this wild. Like, I'll attach some charts if you don't believe me. Like, that's why I put some money into Ethereum and Bitcoins. At least those have been more of like a stable roller coaster. But some of these coins, that's what can happen to you. So yes, factually speaking, the gains and the profits in the crypto space have been the best investment, but it's only been for those who can handle this roller coaster. I don't know about you, but some people just can't handle a roller coaster. I can stomach most rides, but some of these crypto roller coaster rides, they've taken me for I was nauseous, you know, I felt like I was a kid again, you know, almost puking, crying, trying to get off the ride. So of course, in the perfect world, buy here, sell here. If you know, if you panic, like I said, you know, some people they'll buy here, and then it goes up, then it goes down, and dips a little bit. They're like, oh my god, my $1,000 is now $700. They can't handle that. They sell. They lost $300. They're like, oh my god, crypto's the worst investment ever. And then you go online, you read a story, you're like, wait a minute, some punk sold at $1 million. That person made all the money. Crypto is the best investment. So if you can handle roller coaster rides, and if you have money that you're not afraid to lose, yes, crypto can be the best investment out there. But it will not always be the best investment for everybody. Thanks for watching. Check out the links attached to this, and good luck with crypto.